Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is addition. Here we are introducing addition. Addition means putting things together. For example, there are 3 frogs in the pond. If 2 more jump in the pond, there will be 5 frogs in the pond now. So over here the addition statement is given. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So over here there are 1, 2, 3 frogs. Over here when 2 frogs jump in the pond, there would be total 5 frogs. So please emphasize the children on looking at the pictures over here to understand and to visualize what addition is. Let us try addition. Over here there are 2 carrots plus 1 carrot. So total there are 1, 2, 3. So the child has to write 3 over here. Over here there is 1 ice cream, 1, 2, 3. So here there are 3 ice cream, that is 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So in this worksheet the child will be introduced to addition. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एडिशन के बारे में बताया गया है, उनको यहाँ पे समझाया गया है सबसे पहले एडिशन क्या होता है और उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी दी गई है जहाँ पे बच्चों को पिक्चर्स को देख के यहाँ पे एडिशन लिखना है, इसका सम लिखना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page the topic is practice picture addition. Add and draw the total in the blocks. One is done for the child to refer. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Here there are 1, 2 balls. So in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. That is 4 plus 2 equals to 6 balls. After that over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies plus 1 cookie. So 5 plus 1 equals to 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over here the child has to draw the total number of cookies. They can use pencil colors or sketch pens to do the same. After that in the next picture there are 1, 2, 3 smiley balls over here and 1, 2, 3, 4 smiley balls over here. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So here the child has to draw 7 smiley balls in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को पिक्चर के बेसिस पे एडिशन समझाया गया है. तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे ऐड करना है और टोटल नंबर जो है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स, वो लास्ट ब्लॉक में ड्रॉ करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this page the topic is practice picture addition. So over here add and write the total number of objects. So 1 dog plus 1 dog. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Here 1 crayon plus 2 crayons. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Over here 1 party hat. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 party hats. So 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Over here 1 chocolate. Over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolates. So 1 plus 8 equals to 9. Over here 1 strawberry and plus 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5 strawberries. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ऐड करना है और फिर दिए गए ऑब्जेक्ट्स में से उनको टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स काउंट करना है और टोटल काउंट जो है वो ऐड करके ये लास्ट बॉक्स में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस पेज द टॉपिक इज प्रैक्टिस पिक्चर एडिशन. Add and write the total number of objects. One is done. So here there are 1, 2 balls and 1 ball. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3 balls. So 1 is done for the child to refer. After that, here there are 3 stars plus 1 star. So 3 stars plus 1 star equals to 4 stars. So please emphasize the child in counting the total number of objects given over here to find the total count and write the number in the box. Say for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 4 stars. After that, here there are 1, 2 glasses of juice plus 1, 2 glasses of juice. So in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. The total number of objects over here is 4. Next is 1, 2, 2 lotus plus 1, 2, 2 lotus. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jellies plus 1, 2 jellies. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर्स जो दिए गए ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उनको काउंट करना है, टोटल नंबर फाइंड करना है और फिर टोटल नंबर जो है, टोटल काउंट जो है वो यहाँ पे दिए गए बॉक्स में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice number addition. Add and draw objects to make the total. So over here, 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So the child can also use their fingers, the tip of their fingers or the number of fingers to count 3 plus 3. So here they have to draw the objects to match the total. So over here the total is 6. So the child has to draw 6 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next is 3 plus 5 equals to 8. So over here they have to draw 8 objects. So say for example I am drawing apples over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After that it's 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So over here I am drawing 5 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the last is 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So over here I am drawing 7 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सबसे पहले नंबर दिए गए नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, टोटल काउंट को बॉक्स में लिखना है और फिर टोटल को मैच करने के लिए यहाँ पे उनको एज मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्रॉ करना है जितना यहाँ पे नंबर्स दिया गया है. दैट इज 6 दिया गया है तो यहाँ पे उनको 6 बॉल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं या तो कोई भी 6 ऑब्जेक्ट्स वो लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज लेट देम डू इट एट देयर ओन पेस एंड प्लीज help the child in counting and please help them to understand different strategies of counting the given numbers. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice number addition. Add and draw objects to match the total. One is done for the child to refer. So over here 3 plus 7 equals to 10. So to match the total, the child has to draw over here those many number of objects. They can select any object of their own choice. After that 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So over here the child has to draw any objects that total counts in 9. So over here I am drawing 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After that it's 2 plus 7 equals to 9. So if they are stuck, please help them to understand how to do the addition and how to count the total number over here. So they can either use their fingertips, they can do it mentally, or they can take the help of their fingers and count the total to add. After that, over here they have to draw 9 objects. So I am drawing 9 triangular shaped objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So I am drawing 8 cherries over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, उसके बाद टोटल फाइंड करना है और यहाँ पे जितना टोटल काउंट है उतने ही ऑब्जेक्ट्स उनको ड्रॉ करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice addition. So over here, add 1 is done. So over here, there are 3 objects plus 2 objects equals to 5. That is 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Over here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects plus 1 object. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So over here the child can visualize, the child can take the help of the given picture and count the total and write it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers. So 4 plus 3 equals to 7. After that here there are 1, 2, 2 balls. 1, 2. 2 balls. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ऐड करना है, दिए गए ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके उनको टोटल काउंट यहाँ पे लिखना है और फिर टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करके उनको ये बॉक्स में टोटल काउंट को लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice addition. Draw objects and show the following addition. 1 is done. So over here there are 1, 2, 3. As 3 is written over here, there are 3 apples plus 3. So again over here there are 3 apples. So in total 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So over here there are 6 apples in total. After that 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So here the child has to draw 4 objects. Any objects they can draw. So I am drawing 4 balls over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus 1 ball. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So over here I am drawing 6 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and plus 2. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8 mangoes. So 8 mangoes in total the child has to draw in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को टोटल करना है, दिए गए नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है. उसके बाद उनको नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में वो एडिशन को शो करना है ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ड्रॉ करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 5 है तो उनको यहाँ पे 4 के नीचे 4 ऑब्जेक्ट्स ड्रॉ करने हैं, 1 के नीचे 1 ऑब्जेक्ट और टोटल काउंट 5 के नीचे 5 ऑब्जेक्ट्स. वो लोग कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे एंड प्लीज लेट देम डू दिस एट देयर own pace. Thank you. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is introducing addition on number line. Let's do addition on the number line. So 1 is done for the child to refer. So over here it's 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So you have to explain the child that they have to start from the very first number, that is 4, and move 5 jumps. So they have to take 5 steps or 5 jumps from 4 to reach the next number, that is 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Over here it's 3 plus 4. So they have to start from 3 and they have to take 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, the answer at the end would be 7. Next is 5 plus 6. So the child has to start from 5 over here and take 6 steps or 6 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And the last is 8 plus 2. So the child has to start from the number 8 and take 2 steps forward or 2 jumps from 8. So 8 plus 2 equals to 10. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर लाइन के ऊपर एडिशन कैसे करना है वो बताया गया है। तो बच्चों को एक नंबर लाइन यहाँ पे रेफरेंस के लिए भी दी गई है जहाँ पे एडिशन स्टेटमेंट को दिखाया गया है। तो आपको बच्चों को समझाना है कैसे करना है और उसके बाद उनको अपनी पेस पे ये एडिशन करने देना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice addition on number line. Show addition on number line. 1 is done. So over here again the child has to practice doing addition on number line. So here it's given 3 plus 5 equals to 8, and please emphasize them on looking at this number line to see how the addition is performed on the number line. Next is 7 plus 2. So they have to find the sum of 7 plus 2. So they have to start from the number 7 and take 2 steps or 2 jumps ahead or in the forward direction. So 1 and 2. So 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Next is 2 plus 5. So they have to start from number 2 and take 5 steps or 5 jumps ahead or forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Next is 8 plus 2. So 8, 1 and 2. So they have to start from the number 8 and take 2 steps ahead. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर लाइन पे एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is introducing addition with lines. Count the lines all together and then answer. So over here 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So over here there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines plus 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total is 9. Over here 2. So 1, 2 lines and then 6. 2 plus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the child has to count the total number of lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number of lines are 8. So 2 plus 6 equals to 8. After that 1. So 1 line over here plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 lines over here. So 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Next is 2. So the child has to draw 2 lines over here. Then it's 4. So the child has to draw 4 lines over here and then count the total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total is 6 over here. Next is 8 plus 2. So over here the child has to draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 2. So 1, 2 lines. So the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 equals to 10. After that it's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines plus 3. So 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8. Next is 3 plus 4. So 3 over here it's 3 line and then 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7. After that it's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए लाइंस को काउंट करना है इन टोटल और फिर नीचे आंसर को लिखना है. उसके बाद यहाँ पे बच्चों को खुद से लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. जैसे कि 2 दिया गया है यहाँ पे तो उनको 2 लाइंस ड्रॉ करना है. 6 दिया गया है तो 6 लाइंस को ड्रॉ करना है और फिर टोटल लाइंस को काउंट करके यहाँ पे आंसर को लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is practice addition with lines. Count the lines all together and then answer. So over here, there is 4 plus 5. So over here, 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total is 9 over here. Again, next is 8 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total is 9 over here. After that 5. So the child has to draw 5 lines over here plus 2. So over here 2 lines and then count the total number of lines and write down the answer over here in the given box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Next is 4. So over here the child has to draw 4 lines plus 2. So 2 lines over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Next is 3 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 lines plus 1, 2, 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over here the total is 6. After that 7 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines plus 1. So 7 plus 1. So 7 and 1 is 8 over here. Next is 6 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines and 1 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total is 7. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here the total is 10. After that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the total is 9. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए लाइंस को काउंट करना है. सबसे पहले उनको नंबर्स के सामने लाइंस को रिप्रेजेंट करना है. जैसे 8 प्लस 1 है तो 8 के बाजू में 8 लाइंस, 1 के बाजू में 1 लाइन और फिर उनको ऑल टुगेदर टोटल नंबर ऑफ लाइंस को काउंट करना है और आंसर को लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is introducing addition with fingers. Do addition with fingers. Let us do addition with fingers. To do 3 plus 5, bigger number 5 in mind, smaller number 3 in hand. Count 3 fingers. So, count forward by 3. What comes after 5? So, then the child has to keep over here 5 in mind, 5 being a bigger number and the smaller number 3 on their finger. So they have to start counting after 5, 6, 7, 8. So the correct answer over here is 8. That is 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Over here it's 4 plus 2. So 4. So over here the child has to keep the number 4 in mind, plus 2. So they have to count forward by 2. So after 4 it would be 5 and 6. So the total would be 6. Over here it's 1 plus 5 equals to 6. So they have to keep the bigger number 5 in their mind and they have to count forward by 1. So they have to count it on their finger. So 5 after 5 it would be 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Over here it's 2 plus 1. So 2 in their mind and 1 on their finger. So after 2 they have to count forward by 1. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Next is 6 plus 3. So 6 in their mind, the 6 being the bigger number and 3 being the smaller number, they have to count 3 fingers. So they have to count forward by 3 after 6, that is 7, 8 and 9. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फिंगर से कैसे एडिशन करना है वो इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है, यहाँ पे उनको समझाया भी गया है और उसके बाद बच्चों को खुद से एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है यूजिंग देयर फिंगर्स. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice addition with fingers. Solve the problems. Use your fingers to do addition. So over here, the child has to use their fingers to perform the given addition problems over here. So the first one is 9 plus 1. So they have to keep the bigger number 9 in mind and they have to start counting forward after 9 and they have to keep the smaller number. So over here the smaller number is 1. So they have to count using their finger. So after 9 it is 10. So similarly, please emphasize the child on counting over here using their fingers. Next is 2 plus 4. So 4 in the mind, 2 on their hands and after 4 they have to start counting forward. 2, so after 4 it would be 5 and 6. Next is 2 plus 1. So 2 in their mind and after 2 they have to count forward by 1 on their finger. So it would be 3. Similarly over here 6 plus 1. So 6 in their mind and plus 1. So after 6 they have to count forward by 1. So it would be 7. Next is 3 plus 1. So 3 in their mind and 1 on their finger. So after 3 they have to count forward by 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Next is 4 plus 3. So 4 in their mind and 3 on their fingers. So after 4 they have to count forward by 3. So after 4 it is 5, 6, 7. Again over here 8 in your mind and 1 on the finger and after 8 it's 1, 9. 7 on their mind and 2 on their fingers. So after that, after 7, they have to start counting forward by 2. So after 7, it's 8 and 9. Next is 5 plus 2. So 5 in their mind, 2 on their fingers. So after 5, they have to count forward by 2. So 6 and 7. Over here, it is 6 in their mind and 3 on their fingers. So after 6 they have to count forward by 3. So 7, 8, 9. Next is 2 plus 6. So 6 in their mind and 2 on their fingers. So after 6 they have to count forward by 2. So 6, 7 and 8. Next is 5 on their mind and 4 on their fingers. So after 5 they have to count forward by 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को फिंगर्स से उनको एडिशन का प्रैक्टिस करवाना है आपको. तो उनको आपको बोलना है कि जो बिगर नंबर है वो उनके माइंड में रखना है और स्मॉलर नंबर ऑन देयर फिंगर्स एंड देन दे हैव टू काउंट द टोटल नंबर. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice two-digit addition. Over here, add two-digit numbers. 1 is done. So, please emphasize the child over here to look at this T and O that represents tens and ones. So, over here the child has to first start adding from the ones place and then move ahead to the tens place. So, first they have to add the numbers at the ones place and after that at the tens place. So, here one example is given for them. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So 14 plus 25 equals to 35. Next is 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 32 plus 14 equals to 46. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 21 plus 12 equals to 33. After that 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 10 plus 31 equals to 41. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So 11 plus 1 equals to 12. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 24 plus 23 equals to 47. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So 11 plus 38 equals to 49. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. So 27 plus 2 equals to 29. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 17 plus 22 equals to 39. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 13 plus 25 equals to 38. 3 plus 6 equals to 9. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So 3 plus 26 equals to 29. 3 plus 4 is 7. 0 plus 4 is 4. So 3 plus 44 equals to 47. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So 2 plus 42 equals to 44. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 24 plus 21 equals to 45. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 11 plus 37 equals to 48. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So 23 plus 22 equals to 45. तो यहाँ पे बच्चे टू डिजिट एडिशन की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो उनको आपको बोलना है कि सबसे पहले वो लोग वंस प्लेस से स्टार्ट करें. जो भी नंबर्स दिए गए हैं वंस प्लेस पे उनको सबसे पहले ऐड करना है और उसके बाद टेंस प्लेस पे जो नंबर दिए गए हैं उसको ऐड करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. तो वो मेंटल मैथ टेक्निक भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उनका फिंगर्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे ऐड करने के लिए. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is practice two-digit addition. Add two-digit numbers. 1 is done. So over here, the first one is given for the child to refer and you have to tell the child that they have to start adding from the ones place and then they have to move ahead to the tens place. So over here, 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. So 23 plus 2 equals to 25. Next is 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 25 plus 13 equals to 38. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 22 plus 14 equals to 36. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 20 plus 30 equals to 50. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 11 plus 1 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 24 plus 13 equals to 37. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 11 plus 28 equals to 39. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 27 plus 22 equals to 49. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 15 plus 32 equals to 47. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 11 plus 35 equals to 46. 3 plus 5 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. So 3 plus 25 equals to 28. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 13 plus 34 equals to 47. तो बच्चों को यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट नंबर्स का एडिशन बताया गया है, कैसे उनको ऐड करना है. सबसे पहले वंस प्लेस से स्टार्ट करना है और उसके बाद टेंस प्लेस की तरफ जाना है उनको. और यहाँ पे वो लोग नंबर्स को मेंटली भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, उनके फिंगर से भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसे उनको ऐड करके यहाँ पे वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is introducing word problems. Solve the word problem. 1 is done. Riya had 5 candies. I gave her 4 more candies. How many candies does Riya have altogether? So over here, please emphasize the child on looking at the problem, reading it and comprehending it properly. And after that, they have to put the numbers over here to solve the problem. If there is a single digit number, please ask them to place it at under the ones place, and if it's a double digit number, then ones and tens place. So over here, number of candies Riya had is 5. Number of candies I gave is 4. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So total number of candies Riya has now is 9. Riya has 9 candies altogether. After that, Joy has 4 caps. Ritu gave her 3 more caps. How many caps does Joy have in all? So number of caps Joy had is 4. So the child will write 4 under the ones place and 0 at the tens place. Next is number of caps Ritu gave. So how many caps Ritu gave? So Ritu gave 3 caps. So 3 under the ones place. Total number of caps Joy has now. So they have to add from the ones place and put an addition sign over here. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. So Joy has 7 caps in all. You can also give any other example to the children to solve the real life problems. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया गया है. तो यहाँ पे एडिशन का वर्ड प्रॉब्लम दिया गया है. बच्चों को सबसे पहले यहाँ पे रीड करना है और देखना है यहाँ पे कि फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व किया गया है. उसके बाद उनको सेकेंड वाला खुद से सॉल्व करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice word problems. Solve the word problems. Geeta has 4 books. Her papa gave her 3 more. How many books does Geeta have now? So over here, number of books Geeta had. So 4 books. So 4 would be written under the ones place and 0 over here at the tens place. Number of books her papa gave. So 3 books. So 3 at the ones place and 0 at the tens place. Total number of books Geeta has is 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. So Geeta has 7 books altogether. So please emphasize the child on reading the given question over here and comprehending it and then putting the numbers under the ones column. Ravi buys 6 chocolates. Riya gave him 2 more. How many chocolates does Ravi have now? Number of chocolates Ravi buys. So it is 6 and Riya gave him 2 more. So number of chocolates Riya gave. So Riya gave 2 chocolates to Ravi. How many chocolates does Ravi have now? So total number of chocolates Ravi has equals to 6 plus 2 is 8 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So Ravi has 8 chocolates altogether. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करना है, उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन को पढ़ना है, क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है और कौन सी इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेवेंट है, कौन सी नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को नंबर्स पुट करके ऐड करना है और टोटल नंबर फाइंड करना है। आप उनको एक्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट्स भी दे सकते हैं विजुअलाइज करने के लिए, ताकि उनको पता चल पाए कि कैसे उनको ऐड करना है। जैसे कि आप उनको 6 टॉयज दे सकते हैं, 5 टॉयज दे सकते हैं, एंड यू टेल देम कि अगर मैं आपको 2 और दूंगी तो आपके पास कितने टॉयज बचेंगे। यू कैन एक्चुअली डू दिस यूजिंग सच मैनिपुलेटिव्स एट होम एज वेल। थैंक यू।